Today we will learn animals' name and their young ones. So let's get started. Cow, calf. Buffalo, calf. Moose, calf. Ox, calf. Reindeer, calf. Walrus, calf. Elephant, calf. Giraffe, calf. Hippo, calf. Beluga, calf. Dolphin, calf. Bear, cub. Lion, cub. Leopard, cub. Panda, cub. Cat, kitten. Beaver, kit. Raccoon, kit. Ferret, kit. Fox, kit. Wolf, pup. Hamster, pup. Guinea pig, pup. Seal, pup. Otter, pup. Mole, pup. Bat, pup. Shark, pup. Kangaroo, joy. Koala, joy. Hummingbird, chick. Ostrich, chick. Chicken, chick. Crow, chick. Penguin, chick. Parrot, chick. Crane, chick. Emu, chick. Seagull, chick. Bee, brood. Bird, hatchling. Crocodile, hatchling. Turtle, hatchling. Alligator, hatchling. Butterfly, larva. Wasp, larva. Mosquito, larva. Deer, fawn. Donkey, foal. Horse, foal. Duck, duckling. Eagle, eaglet. Dog, puppy. Toad, tadpole. Fish, fry. Ape, baby. Monkey, infant. Gorilla, infant. Hedgehog, hoglet. Owl, owlet. Mouse, pinky. Pig, piglet. Rabbit, bunny. Snake, snakelet. Oyster, spat. Sheep, lamb. Goat, kid. Turkey, poult. Swan, cygnet. Goose, gosling. Falcon, ayas. Pigeon, squab. Dove, squab. Flamingo, flaminglet. Spider, spiderling. Fly, maggot. Jellyfish, ephedra. Grasshopper, nymph. Dear friends, if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel for latest videos. Thank you.